Powermatic 141 14-inch bandsaw from 1976. Full restoration, almost complete. Put a new 20 amp switch in. Waiting on a pulley to get here to put everything back together here. Also put a replacement motor in. The half horsepower motor that I bought it with was burned out, so had a half horse laying around. Put that in. Had to make a few knobs and things like this here. Fashioned a little pin for the hole right here. A few other little parts like that, but all in all looks like it's in good shape. Gotta love the metallic green Powermatic with the white stripe. I think it's the best color scheme there is.